Hello guys, welcome. This is Deepika from mytutorialrack.com, and in this tutorial, the first thing we are going to do is we are going to create 3 custom fields on the opportunity object. The field is the priority score field. It is a number field with 0 decimal places, and this is basically a field which will hold the value between 0 and 100. Okay, so what that is the priority score. Then the second field we are creating, it's a percent field. The name of the field is confidence, and the purpose is basically the rep's confidence, the representative's confidence in closing that particular opportunity. And the third field that we are creating is days to close. It is a formula field, and the formula is close date minus today's date. Okay, so these are the days. It will tell you how many days are there from the close date. Okay, so these are the 3 fields that we're going to create, and I will ask Agentforce to do this for me. I'm not going to do it myself. I'm going to go ahead and ask Agentforce to doing it. Now, previously, when I was testing it, the formula field was giving me issues. I'm not sure if it's still going to give me issues. What we're going to do is we're going to create these fields individually. So I'm going to go ahead and create these fields individually and then deploy it to my org. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing is I'll go over to my Agentforce here and let's vibe. And then here I'm going to say add the following field on the opportunity object. Okay, now before we go ahead and add, let's go over to the opportunity object here in our Salesforce and make sure that these field doesn't exist. So we'll go to fields and relationships, and over here, I'm going to check for priority doesn't exist, then days to close doesn't exist, and then we had was the confidence. So these fields doesn't exist on the opportunity object. So we are good to go. And I'm going to go ahead and copy this first statement here and pasted this one. So Control C, and then we'll go over to this and we'll say this is the field I'm trying to deploy. Priority score number 3,0, and it's a AI calculator score is the description. So I'm going to go ahead and hit enter. Now what's going to happen is it is going to create a meta XML file and view the top level files in the directory, API request. So now it created your field meta XML files. I'm going to go ahead and hit save. Now I have given the commands of deploying these changes as well. So it might deploy it also for me to the org. But if it hasn't deployed it for you, you explicitly tell it to deploy. So I'm going to go ahead and hit save here. And you always need to remember that the results of Agentforce might not be 100% accurate. So you do have to recheck what it has done for you. Okay, so here it says I've successfully added the priority score field to the opportunity object in your Salesforce. Field has been created with this specification, and they've also updated the package XML file to include the opportunity object in the deployment. The field definition has been created. Now the field is now ready to be deployed to a Salesforce or using the Salesforce CLI or any deployment tool. So I'm going to say deploy. I'm going to say another thing I'm going to say is add this priority score _ C field to the page opportunity page layout. Okay, to the opportunity page layout, and I'm going to go ahead and hit enter. So now it's going to go and get the layout for the opportunity object, and then it is going to add that field to this layout. So this is your opportunity layout, and over here it is going to add your new field, which is your priority score field, and it's going to add it. And now the next thing we need to do is we need to deploy both these files, which is the meta XML field, meta XML, and this page layout to the org so that it gets. Now I'm going to go ahead and hit save here, and over here you're going to find the priority score field has been added. Okay, we're going to go ahead and is editing this package XML again. So I'm going to go ahead and added this. So we're going to go ahead and hit save here. So now the page layout has been successfully updated, as well as your added this to the field has been created. Okay. Now what we're going to do here is please deploy these new changes related to the priority score field to the default org, and I'm going to give the name for the org is Agentforce for Dev 1. Okay, just to avoid the confusion, it will understand that this is the particular field I'm interested in. This is the org I want to deploy it to. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and hit approve here. And I can see that the Agentforce is there. So approve, and let's see if it's able to do that. So it says there's an issue with the layout file. The error indicates that 2 columns is not a valid value for this. Let me fix this by correcting it. I'm going to go ahead and hit save. And then here it wants to use this. Let's go ahead and just say approve, and let's see what it comes up with. Okay. Sometimes you do have to look at what it is trying to deploy, and it might have issues as well. And then what will happen is it will try to do it for you. Error is coming up. Okay, and it's trying to fix it. Okay, so it's trying to fix these changes. It updated the layout. I'm going to go ahead and hit save here. Prove it again. Okay, so now it is telling you that, hey, I'm encountering persistent layout validation issues. Instead of spending more time fixing the layout, let me try a different approach. Since the core requirement was to add the field to the opportunity object, and that has been successfully deployed, I'll focus on just deploying the field itself without the layout for now. Let me modify the exclude the layout. Okay, so it is saying that, hey, I cannot add this particular field to the opportunity page layout, but I will at least deploy the field to the org, which is fine because there are certain things you might have to still do it because Agentforce is not able to understand it. Okay, so now it has deployed this. So now what I'll do is if I go over here and I go to the priority score, you will see the field has been added. And a couple of things it has missed is one is the page layout. If you go to the opportunity layout here, the priority score field might not be there on your, so if I go here and look for priority score, that field is not there. So I'm going to go ahead and add that field, hit save here. And another issue with this is also if you go again to the field and if you go over to the priority field here, the other important issue is that the access to this field is not given to any of the profiles. So if I go here and go to this field level security, I want to give it to my system admin. If you want, you can give it to everybody, but for the timing, we just want to give it to system admin. Okay, so now I'll go ahead and hit save. And if I go over to the opportunity object, I should see this newly added field here. And let me refresh this. And we will go ahead and go over to this and details, and you can see here the priority score field is added below the discount. So the field has been successfully created. Agentforce created it for us and we deployed it. Agentforce deployed it for us, and then we just did few changes. One was fixing the page layout and then also giving the access. Now the second field I wanted to add is this one, confidence field. So I'm going to go ahead and add the second field. I'm going to get rid of this and I'm going to say please add. Now I'll go back to my Agentforce and I'll say, please add the following field to the opportunity object and deploy it to the org. Okay, so this is the field and confidence field. This is the one, and we will deploy it to the org also. So 2 things I'm asking. Now it has created the meta XML file. We're going to go ahead and hit save. This is required false, and it is also updating the package XML. We're going to go ahead and it has made the changes here, and we'll go ahead and hit save, and let's see if it's working as expected. So now it is successfully added, and you can see it has successfully fixed it. So now if I go here to my opportunity object and go over to the confidence, you can see the field has been added, and there will be the same problem. The field level security, well, we didn't ask it because I've asked it previously and it gave me error. So I'm not asking the Agentforce to do it for me. So I'm going to go ahead and do it myself. And then the next important thing is adding it to the page layout. Okay, so we'll go to the page layout and we'll go to the opportunity layout here. And under this layout, we will go to the confidence field and we will add this field right below the priority score. I'm going to go ahead and hit save here. So now I'm successfully able to deploy this field to the org. I also gave the access of the field to the system admin. And then the next important thing was I was also able to add the field to the page layout. So if I go here, refresh it, I should see the field available. Okay, Okay, so I can see your confidence is there, priority score is there. Now, one last field that has been not added yet is the days to close, which is a formula field, and we will take care of that in the next tutorial. So I will see you then. Thank you very much.